tell Verna how many they take. Choice on all the pocket knives. Give me $15 a choice there. 10 and go. Man, anybody need over 10, need over 10, $12 and a half per knife. 10 to 10, 10, 12 and a half. Anybody but 10, you have down 12 and a half, 12 and a half there, but 15, but 15, but 17 and a half, a knife, but 20, but 20, but 22 and a half. 20 but 2, 20 but 2, 20 but 2, 20 but 2 and a half. And $20 a choice up there to 29, and just let us know how many. Thank you guys. All right, we got some more cutting wheels here, cutting and grinding. Somebody give me their $10 bill there. And anybody, $10, $10, $5 bill there. $5, $5, $2 bill on cutting and grinding. New now 3, 2 and $3, $2, anybody $3, $3, $2, anybody $3, $3, $2 and 3, and $2 up there to number 72 on the right, number 72. We got another handful of cutting wheels there, $5 bill there, and $5. Caleb, let me hold them up a little bit just so if you guys in the back can see. $5. Glenn, in for 2 on them. 2, 2, 2. And anybody now 3. 2, I have a $3, $2, anybody $3, $2, $3, $2, and 3. And you bought them for $2, number 89, right over here to 89.
Tell them again here.
Okay, they took out pocket knives there. Choice again, $10 a pocket knife. Give me 5 right here. In for 5, 6 and go. $6, $7 here, $8, $9, $10, 12 and a half here. 10 and a half and 12 and a half. 10, $10, $10, 12 and a half. And the same way there, $10 up to number 29. Tell us how many, number 29. All right, more taps and dies there. 25 there, $10 and go. Little bit 10 and a half and 12 and a half. 10's a bit now 12, and a bit of 12 and 10, $10, $10, 12 over there, but 15 right here. 17 and a half, 17 and a half and 20, but 20 would go 20, 22 and a half here in the red hat. 22 and a half back there, Brian. 25 and a half and 25. I got 22 and a half and 25 and a half and 25. And it goes for 22 and a half your way, Brian. What's your number there? 59. 22 and a half to 59.
Pull out your phone, use the camera. Get our links right here.
And we thank you all. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a bunch of grinding wheels right here. We got 3 boxes and then a couple loose ones as well. You're just going to buy all those grinding wheels. Most of them are brand new in the box. Brand new in the box. All right, you're buying all the grinding wheels. There's probably, 20 couple of them here. Somebody give me their $100 bill on all the grinding wheels. $50 bill, brand new ones. 50 and a 50 and a 50. Give me 25 here. 25 and a 20 and a 20 and a 20 and a 25 of the grinding wheels. $15 a go, brand new ones. $10. Who's in for 10? Anybody in for 10? Come on now, $10 bill there. 5 and go. $5 bill. You can't go wrong with brand new grinding wheels. $1 bill. Is anybody looking? 2. Now 3. 4 over here, Stu. $3, $4, $3, $4. And way out for $3 is number 24. They all go out to number 24. Thank you all. We've got hammers.
Craftsman there.
There's Craftsman now on the ball peen. You're just going to buy all the hammers. There's about 30 of them in there. Somebody give me their $25 bill there. And 25 and 25 and about $10 for them. Who's in for $10? 12 and a half and 15 and 17 and 20. $20, Stu. 20 right here and 25 here and 30 but 30 but 5 and 40 but 40 but 40. Did you say 40? I got 35 here now. 40, 35 and 40 and 35 and 40. And $35 here. It's number 6. Under the trailer to number 6 for $35. Choice on pocket knives. Oh, Adeline's going to get in on the action here. All right. Pocket knives again. $10 a choice are again. 10, $10, 5. Who's in for 5? 5, 6 now. Take your choice. 5 and 6. Anybody get him a 6 and get him a 6. Anybody hit him a 6 and 5. Anybody hit him a 6 and 5 and 6. And right here is $5 to 19 and see how many he wants for 5. All right. We've got more grinding wheels. Actually, I had them all with that other lot. So take them out to number, the gentleman out there that bought the other lot. They were all together. All right, you got all kinds of pipe wrenches down in here, small to medium size there. Somebody give me their $10 bill on all the pipe wrenches here. Anybody, hit them at 10, $5 and go. And 5 and 5 now, $6, 7 here, $8, hit them at 9, 9 and 10, $10, 12 and a half here. I got 10 here at 12 and a half, 12 and a half, a new bidder, 15 there, 15 at 17 and a half, 17 and 20 here, 20 and 20 to 22 and a half. I got 20 now too, anybody in 20 to 22 and a half. And $20 here, it's number 59, straight out number 59. All right, here we got your Navy brass dinner bell. Navy brass. All right, somebody give me their $50 bill on the Navy brass bell there. 50 and a 50 and a 50 and 25. And 25 and 25 and 25 and 25 now 30. 25 I have now 30 and 35 here. 30 to 35. How about 32 and a half? Does that help you? Now 35, now 37 and a half. Well, we tried hard. 35 and 37, 35 and 37 and a half. And down the hill for 35 is 53, buyer number 53. All right, we got the little choice on pocket knives again. Choice on pocket knives, $5 a choice here. And $5 and $5 and $5 and $5 and $5 and $5 and $5. $3 bill a choice. Anybody in for $3? Pocket knife choice. I got 1 now, 2. 1 and 2. Anybody, two now, 3 out there's 2, 3 number 4 here. Gerald, you went in for 4. 3 and 4, number 3, number 4 right here. Now 5's 2. 4 and 5 and 5 and 4 and 5. And so we're here for $4 to 19 and see how many number 19.
Craftsman miter box.
Craftsman on the old miter box. Miter saw right there. $30, $20, 10 and go. Anybody, hit him a 10, hit him a 10, number $5 here. Let's go. And 5 and 5 and 5 and 5 and 5 and 5. $2 on the miter saw. $2. I mean, the new ones have nothing with these old ones, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Who would want the old one? $1 bill. $1, bid 2, 1 and 2. Anybody, number 2, number 2 now, $3, number 3, number 3, number 4 over there, before number 3, number 4, number 3 and 4. And right here, $3 is number 20. $3 is number 20. Okay, Adeline, Adeline, how many knives are in there? There's about 15 knives in there. 12 to 15 knives, you're buying what's left in there. Give me $20 bill for the lot there. And 20, and number 20, and number 20, but 20, 10. And number 10, number 10, number 12 and a half. Getting them all, 12 and a half and 15 here. 17 and a half and 20 here, but 20, but 22 and a half, and 22 and a half, and 22 and a half, and 5. 25 and 22 and a half, and 25. And out there it goes for 22 and a half to number 40. Buyer number is 4L. First, we got a coat here that's got C-clamps, and it's got some lace grips in there, clamps as well, and you're buying everything in that little coat there. Coming to give me that 25 there. And 25, about 25, about 25, about 25, and 10 on the bill. 10, 10, 10, 10 and a half, and 12 and a half. 10's a bit, 12 and a half, and 15, 17 and a half. 20, 20, with your 20 out there. The bids here, 17 and a half, and 20, now 22 and a half. 25 and about 27 and a half here, now 30, but 30, but 30, but 32 and a half here. 32 and about 35 and about 32 and a half, and 35 and about 35. And 32 and a half. Sold them here to number 69, going to number 69.
This is the U-clamps.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got all kinds of clevises and U-clamps. Clevises and U-clamps there. A whole bunch of clevises there. $50 there. And a 50, and a 50, and a 50, and a 50, 25 here. 25, give me 10 on all the clevises and go. $10, 12 and a half. 10 to 50, 12 and a half. And 10, 10, 10, 10, 12 and a half. Lots of clevises. 10, 12 and a half. 10, 12, 12 and a half there. 15 over there, 17 and a half. 20, 22 and a half. 25 and about 25 and 7 and a half. 27, 25, 7 and a half. Thank you for the help there. 25 led your way. Number 72, on the right 72. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got another box of knives. Here we have a Case 2000 Millennium knife there, and we have lots of others in there. Here you go, Jay. There's one of them fold-up pistol knives in there. We'll give you a choice a time or two. Choice a time or two and see how it goes. Somebody give me their $10 a choice out of the break lot here. And 10, and then 10, 10, and then 5, and 5, and 5, and 5, 5, and 5. Somebody say 5 right here, but 6 and go. 5 and $6, and 7 right here, and $8, $9, $10, 12 and a half, and $15. And now $15, and 12 and a half. You get 12 and a half right here, number 19. 12 and a half to number 19, and see how many he wants there. All right, folks, we got a good, is that metal? It's metal line, metal lid, and wooden box with some metal corners on it there. A good old storage toolbox right there. $15 there now. 15 now 10. Anybody, $10, $10, 5 with a good old box there. 5, 6 and go. 5 and 6 now, man. Anybody, 6 and 5, anybody, 6 and 5 and 6. Bid 7, Stu. 7 here. Did you say 6 now? 7? Anybody, 7, bid 6 and 7. And it goes for, you're not bidding, right? $6 straight out here to number $6 to 13, Berna. $6 to 13.
The Craftsman's different when they're Craftsman and brush drill.
All right, we got your brush drill and another Craftsman drill and a few other down in there, some braces down in there and other speed drills and a whole lot of them there. $30 bill and all the braces and drills there. 30, but 30, but 20, but 20, but 10 and go. Anybody,
Daisy finally pulled in. She's a little late.
$6, 7, $8, 9 over there. 10 right here, 12 and a half there. 15 out there, 15 right here, 15 and now $15. And you want to hear 12 and a half, number 69. 69. Look at all the T-augers there. The T-handle augers there. There's about 6 or 8 of them down in there. And somebody give me their 25 here, 25 and 10. Anybody, 10, $5 bill. I got 5 and 6 and 7 and $8 and 9 here. 9 to 9 right here. Did you say $9 for them? I got 8 now 9. Anybody, Glenn, you're in for 8 now 9. You're hit of 9 right here. $10, but 12 and a half. 15 out there. I got 12 and a half here, but $15 anywhere. And 12 and a half here to number 6 under the trailer. Number 6 under the trailer.
Pocket knives again.
Choice on pocket knives there. $10 a choice. $5 a choice. Deal them. Here's for 5. $6 now. 5 and 6. Anybody, 6 and 5. Anybody, $6. Bid 7. Bid 7 and 8 right here again in 9. Bid 9. Bid 10. Bid 10. 9 and 10. Bid 9 and 10. And $9 scale. What's your $9 scale? What's your number there? Number 5.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.